I will demo the Java debug for Camel K integration, which is deployed on a remote instance, so in the cloud. So I have my instance here to which I'm connected to in a specific project in which I have right to to start my integration. So here with the command I can start my my integration. I can see that it appears here when it is deployed. And then I will start my Java debugger. And so it will take a bit of time. But here, so Java debugger started to be connected, and when the breakpoint is hit, I have access to the debug, and I can do my normal debugging on the remote instance.